Okay, so this is Nicola, who come all the way from Wales, works in a salon with a salon owner, and she's come to learn semi-permanent makeup, eyebrows and lips. Now, Nicola, today we've been jam-packed. We've had 3 different brows, 3 different sorts of brows.
3 different types.
If you can remember back to this morning, if you cast your memory back, how was your first client that was in this morning?
Yeah, really good, because it did a combination as well, because obviously I've done blading before, so we got to do a little bit of blading and the powdered brow as well with that.
Yeah.
So that looked really good, and I think that's going to be one of my favourites, actually.
Really? I think it's Kate's most popular treatment is the combination effect.
Yeah, it looked really nice.
Because you effectively learn sort of the hair strokes and the powder together.
Yeah, it looked really nice.
Excellent. And then we had a little bit of a lunch break, and then we had another client in, this time an older lady.
Yeah.
So how was it working on different types of skin and different types of people?
Yeah, good to feel the different techniques, and we used different types of needles as well a lot today, so that was quite nice, and lots of different colours as well today.
Okay.
So that was nice to see how they go onto the skin and how they work, so yeah, I enjoyed that as well.
Was that to sort of mimic the hair of the client and that side of things?
Yeah, finding the right colour for everyone, and everyone was quite different skin tones and stuff, so it was really nice.
Excellent. And then we finished off tonight, and we had another model in.
Yeah.
And who was this model then? That's the recent one.
Yeah, most recent one. She was a much younger lady, a full powdered brow, much more solid brow, and really dark colour as well, like dark colouring. So yeah, got to see a lot of brow going. Yeah. Really
And actually, she was a permanent makeup technician, wasn't she?
She was, yeah.
I think we trained. Oh yeah, we trained her, didn't we? Of course.
Yeah.
My mind's a blur right now, but yeah, and she's obviously very busy doing it as well. So you can see.
Nice to see somebody else that have done it.
Exactly. So overall, we've had 3 full procedures in today. Must be tiring.
Yeah, a lot of concentration, and so I went on yesterday and had a good night's sleep, so I think it'll be the same today.
Excellent. Brilliant. And then tomorrow we are going to be concentrating on lips.
Yeah, moving on to lips now. I'm excited to do lips, actually.
Is that
something completely different?
Yeah, because you've been doing microblading for brows for a couple of years, and you've been done the machine method for brows this week with lots of new techniques. So you
never worked on lips really.
Really?
Yeah, never done much with lips. So
interesting to see how you get on tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, get your sleep.
Okay.
And we'll catch you in the morning.
Thank you.
Cheers, Nicola.
Bye.
Bye.